How to stop being lazy, 3 simple steps. You really want to be fit, right? And you really want to study for long hours and you really wanted to get that next goal happening. But then suddenly that laziness kicks in. You definitely know what to do, what kind of food you're supposed to eat, what kind of exercise you're supposed to do. But then you buy into that laziness. It pops in and says, for the last 5 days you've been working out, right? It's okay. Have a cheat day. Enjoy the day. Go out for the party. The moment you buy into it, believe me, you lost the momentum and you're back into that fat zone you don't like to be. In this video, I'm going to share with you how exactly you can actually use these 3 steps and then use it to your benefit and literally kick out the laziness out of your life so that you can have successful 2021 with the kind of goals that you want to achieve. But before we go deep into it, show real. I really want to ask one question to you guys. We'll break down a step-by-step process on Welcome back. You see, I'm going to ask one question and I want you to be absolutely honest in answering this. What is laziness? Think about it. Is it something to do with lack of energy or lack of motivation? Because you are having all of them before, right? In fact, it is only difference. Let me show you, right? In fact, I get up early in the morning and I see this. I have a beautiful park right outside. Can you see? I see some people literally coming out and doing yoga or maybe running. And I also see that building, can you see? And I also see these people, while these people are really coming out and doing yoga at 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock in the morning, I also see some people who gets up at 9 o'clock in that building. So what is the difference? Why somebody is actually getting up at 5 o'clock and doing all this, the other person is actually sleeping all the way till 9 o'clock? In fact, as per scientific studies, laziness is a state of mind. So you might be thinking, how do I maintain that motivated thing and get rid of laziness? This is exactly what I'm going to share in this video. Let me tell you, right? Once you understand it's a state of being, which means you might get that anytime. When I say you can get that anytime, there are certain things you do because of which the laziness comes into your being. And number one thing which makes a huge difference whether you're going to be lazy or not is to do with food that you eat. While we always talk about you or what you eat, here we are talking about you becoming lazy or not. So the kind of foods that you eat, there are 3 kinds of foods, right? One is positive pranic food and neutral and also negative. The moment you eat negative pranic food, the body is going to consume the energy, which means the next activity that you want to achieve your goal, you may not have enough energy. And the second thing, neutral food we just eat because, it just makes you lazy just for the sake of taste. And the third thing, the positive pranic food. This consists of all the fresh vegetables, fruits, and you eat this food, it actually adds life to it, which means you have more energy to go out there and achieve what you want to achieve. Make sure you're selecting positive pranic foods. And on top of it, when you're eating and what quantity you're eating, your body needs only this size. This is the size of your stomach inside. If you can finish the dinner by 7 o'clock, that means your body has enough time to do the primary digestion, and then at least you're going into the night with a little bit of empty stomach. That way, when you get up in the morning, you feel absolutely amazing. Because at one time, I used to be literally like, night owls. I'm sure you guys can relate to it. I used to sleep pretty much many of the days in a week at 4 o'clock in the morning. And then I used to finish literally rice and all at around 3 o'clock before we just come out of the late night parties. And imagine how lazy you will be when you get up in the morning. And the body will not listen to you because the body is dancing when it is supposed to take rest. So make sure you take the complete food element seriously. You're already halfway there in actually getting rid of laziness out of your life. Because the moment I moved from sleeping at 4 a.m. to actually getting up at 4 a.m., life has changed totally for me. Try it out. The moment you change the food and you will start feeling light. You will be naturally able to get up early in the morning. And actually brings me to the second and most important point is have a very good morning routine for you every single day. We are not talking about weekends and weekdays. We are talking about every day, because you don't want to live only on weekdays and die for weekends, right? You want to have the same level of energy, because probably weekend, even if you want to do shopping, do it at an extraordinary energy level. But for that, you need to have a very clear morning routine, because your body plays a very important role. Make sure you have a clear cut. The moment I get up in the morning, I've got water with lemon and honey, warm water. That the moment I drink it, I know body knows that I'm ready to start my day. And then have approximately at least 15 to 30 minutes of any form of exercise, because I love enjoying yoga, but it's up to you. You want to go out for a run in the nature, or probably you just want to do some sit-ups. It doesn't matter. Make sure to give the body indication that you are ready to start the day on a very positive note. And my highest recommendation is also to have a brief 10 minutes meditation on what you want to do in the day. That gives a very good head start for your body and mind. Once you maintain good energy with the right food and also have absolute clear routine for the morning, what you need to have is a clear-cut goal for the day. Is it related to your work, or probably with your kids, or it doesn't matter. Make sure you have a clear goal for the day, so that the laziness will not kick in just like that, because you know what you're going to do next. You don't want world's strongest evil, laziness, to sit in your mind. Make sure you have a clear goal in the day and pursue it. Even after you do all this, there's one bonus tip which can totally, elevate the results to the next level. You guys ready to know? This is because laziness is a state of mind. There are certain ways that you can actually change your state of mind. What you're doing right now is going to change your pattern, which means you're moving your state of mind from laziness to active. How you can do? Very simple. Anywhere you are, whether you're, if you can do it in the office, very good. If you cannot do it in the place where you are at that time, you can even go into the restroom and do it. Or don't care about others' opinions, right? Just make sure your legs are wide enough to match the shoulders length, and then raise your hands to the level where it is facing the sky, and then the movement, jump up and down, right? Once you start going up and down, make sure the hands are going up. With this, you're actually activating your limbic system, where it breaks the pattern and gives the indication to the body that we are doing something active at this moment. And you do it just for 10 times, that's it. You suddenly feel a different level of energy. If you implement at least these 3 simple steps, you can drastically, eliminate the role of laziness in your life. You want to be successful in your life, isn't it? But I tell you what, success is not easy. And definitely, it is not for the people who are lazy. If you want to be successful, you need to find these ways to make sure that the laziness doesn't kick in. And I wish every one of you tremendous success in 2021 by actually applying these techniques. But make sure to share your feedback in comments on what kind of results you've got, because your feedback can be a life changer for somebody else. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a like, or maybe leave a comment. What are your thoughts, views, or any questions you may have? But if you're tuning into the channel for the first time, remember to click the subscribe button and also ring the bell next to it, because we upload one video every single day for you. And I will see you in the next video.